you have to see something with your own eyes to believe it. Photographic evidence is not always enough to convince you, right? So as we all know, there have been plenty of those. I am talking about these strange rains that happened once on Earth. Let us talk about 8 of them. Number 1. Red Rain. July 1957, an ordinary day in the state of Kerala, India. People walk down the streets doing their business and it begins to rain. Suddenly, people started to shout and run away in fear. But why? It's just raining. Everything turns into a kind of horror movie. Because the raindrops that fall from the sky are bright red in color. And this is not a horror movie. It's all happening for real. So imagine the familiar view outside your window. What if you saw it gradually turning red? So the clothes of people caught in the rain would change to pink. So what causes this red rain? There's a logical explanation for it, friends. So at first, scientists believed that the rainwater was painted red by a meteorite burst, but the next study that came up with a different theory. So the rain is dyed with spores of algae carried by the wind, and the spores mixed with rain clouds, and at last as a result we see a beautiful but very frightening picture, that is red rain. So you may be surprised, but this red rain is common for people living in this region. Number 2. Milky Rain. This milky rain occurred near Washington in Oregon. The scientists came up with 2 theories. First one, the wind could bring ash from an active volcano in Russia and mix it with the water, and it colored the rain white. Second theory is that it may be caused by the dust from a lake in south central Oregon. Coin rain, that is number 3. It's quite strange. So it happened in a Russian city in 1940, and more than 1,000 silver coins from a buried treasure were lifted into the air by a strong tornado and then scattered in the small town. Those coins dated back to the 16th century, but it is difficult to count them, and it was the most expensive rain in the history. Number 4. Spider rain. Arachnophobia is the second most common phobia in the world. So this rain might scare a huge number of people because instead of water, spiders fell from the rain. But how these spiders get into rain? They don't directly come from the sky, right? So they have a habit of climbing high, and whenever they reach the top, they start releasing the web. And as these webs are light, the air currents lift them. And if you are a lover of a spider, don't worry. Spiders are not injured in this rain. And spiders are not coming from the rain directly. Due to their light weight of the webs, air currents are lifting them into air. And they land down slowly, no need to worry. Number 5. Fruit rain. It sounds strange, but the people from a small town in England faced this. So meteorologists agreed that a powerful wind picked up the apples from an orchard and then dropped them on the town, while some locals were sure that the apples had fallen from a passing plane. Number 6. Fish rain. Villagers in West Sri Lanka have said that they have been surprised and delighted by an unusual rainfall of small fish. But the point to be kept in mind is that the fish do not exactly fall out from the clouds. The creatures are basically blown from land into the air from nearby water bodies by strong winds. And also scientists believe that this rare phenomenon occurs due to tornadoes. Number 7. Bat rain. Wet weather puts bats off flying as they don't like getting wet. According to the findings of the scientific journal Biology Letters, that is the reason. They don't like getting wet. Until now, scientists thought that bats avoided rain because raindrops affected the bats' echo-finding capability. So that is not bat rain, means it is bat rain, but bats did not come from the clouds, sky. So due to storms only, all these creatures are coming in the form of rain. So we can also take an example of fruit, apples, fruit, these friends, spiders, also the red rain, white rain, all those also are not from the sky directly, but due to the pollution, dust, we also found that rains. And these rains due to tornadoes. And the spiders' webs are lightweight. According to that also, they are not coming from the sky. Last and number 8. That is watermelon snow. Not only rains, even snowfall can be strange too. So like watermelon snow, you can find it in the high mountains and coastal polar areas. And it's a type of cold weather algae that gives the snow pink color. So these are these 8 strange rains that happened once on the earth. So friends, I have a question for you. The question is, if something were to fall from the sky, what would you want it to be? So whatever you want to come from the sky, comment down in the comment section below and say. The question is, if something were to fall from the sky, what would you want it to be? So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.